Nestled along the Arkansas River just outside Arkansas City, the Chaplin Nature Center is a peaceful haven for nature lovers, bird watchers, hikers, and families seeking a quiet escape. Managed by the Wichita Audubon Society, this 230-acre sanctuary offers miles of scenic trails, diverse wildlife, and educational opportunities year-round. Here's our stairs, Wildlife Homes Trail. What is this? The river's clear over here. If you want to do that,
yeah.
Get to it.
So we turn to the left, go left.
Sycamore trees are large, fast-growing North American hardwoods known for their distinctive patchy, white exfoliating bark, huge lobed leaves, and fuzzy buttonball fruits, thriving in moist soils along waterways but tolerant of many conditions, making them popular shade trees and valuable for wildlife, timber, and urban landscapes.
How wide this is. This trail is actually a road, but it goes through this probably 80 acres of grass. Luckily, it hasn't caught on fire.
That's what you call tall raspberry. Real tall. Can you imagine going over this in a covered wagon? Must have been a real slow go.
Oh, it is. Oh, look at them white sycamores. We're thinking the boats we hear on the river up here might be airboats like you'd see in the swamp. This is going to the Arkansas River. Well, Dianne's not coming here to take my picture. Take my own picture here. Perfect day, 75 degrees, day after Christmas. It's my birthday. Got a free dessert at Shindigs in Winfield. I see this fallen cottonwood down here. Look how big it is. It's sitting here taller than Dianne. You just put your fingers in the bark here. Oh, we got deer over there.
Oh, here's two more.
Looking right at us. There's a squirrel overhead. Or woodpecker, I should say. Out behind us.
There's another one behind it. Little one. There must have been a whole herd there. I think there's three of them there.
Okay. First spot the river. I don't know if you can see the little blue slivers through the trees. It's getting sandier as we approach.
The Arkansas River starts near Leadville, Colorado, flows east through the Rockies, across the plains, and southeast through Kansas and Arkansas before joining the Mississippi River.
There's the Arkansas River. Getting some mud on my shoes here. Now we hear the putt-putt of a oil derrick across the way. We're gonna get trapped here. I think we're gonna have to go up and around this little S curve in the tributary. Okay. Got to cross here, I think. Whether I can do it or not. If you can see that spider web coming across here. No wind. Must be 75 degrees there, that's what it feels like.
The cottonwood is a large tree growing to 100 feet tall and with a trunk up to 9 feet in diameter, one of the largest North American hardwood trees. The bark is silvery white, smooth or lightly fissured when young, becoming dark gray and deeply fissured on old trees. Cottonwood trees produce tiny seeds attached to a fluffy white cotton-like fiber that aids wind dispersal, creating snowstorms of fluff in late spring, early summer.
Moss growing in our trail here, right in the middle.
Polypores and other decomposer fungi are the first step in food chains that feed on decomposed plant material. A rich fauna of insects, mites, and other invertebrates feed on polypore mycelium and fruiting bodies, further providing food for birds and other larger animals.
I think we've about made a loop back to the staircase. Took us probably an hour and a half. Just leisurely resting once in a while.